honor of Easter, TMI presents the 1957 classic, The Story of Jesus, written by and starring Jackie Gleason.
And then, Mary, you'll never understand. Guess what happened? Mr. Monahan says, Jesus, if you can turn water into wine and turn 5 loaves of bread into hundreds, then maybe I'll start a restaurant with you and go into business. Can you believe that, Mary? Mr. Monahan wants to open a business with me.
That's great. Well, it stands to reason that if Pontius Pilate wants to go into business with you, he's going to want to make investment.
What do you know about investments?
I know that people who start businesses need to make them, Jesus.
I'm a carpenter. I can't make an investment.
Yeah, does Mr. Monahan know that?
Of course he does. Who do you think pays me, Mary? It must be Judas and the boys. We're going bowling. Yeah?
I've got a message here from Mr. Jesus Christ.
That's me.
Okay, well, I've got a message here from Mr. Pontius Pilate. Says he wants to meet with you, Mr. Jesus Christ, right away.
Pontius Pilate? What does Pontius Pilate want to do with me?
Well, it doesn't say here, sir. It just says he wants to meet with you right away.
What does he want? Does he know about my restaurant? Did he say anything about the restaurant?
It just says he wants to see you right away.
Okay, now go ahead and tell Pontius Pilate. I'll be right over.
Okay.
If you want a tan on your palm, then you might want to go outside.
For all the stories. Who was that, Jesus?
Yes, it was a messenger from Pontius Pilate. The Roman prefect wants to meet with me, Jesus Christ.
Why do you think that is, Jesus?
Well, the messenger said it could have something to do with my restaurant. Maybe Pontius Pilate wants to be an investor.
Pontius Pilate wants to invest in a restaurant that you don't have, Jesus.
I could. If he invests, that is, Mary.
You could have wings if he turned you into a bird.
One of these days, Mary, right in the kisser. Now, why don't you go iron me up one of my good tunics?
The only thing good about one of your tunics is that it covers up what no one else should be forced to see, Jesus.
Oh, real con, Mary. Now go iron me a tunic. I'll look good for the Roman prefect.
Hey, Jesus boy!
Oh, hey, Judas. Come on in.
Hey, you ready to hit the alleys?
Sorry, Judas. I cannot go bowling with you and the guys. I have a bigger fish to fry.
Oh, well, I didn't know you went fishing in.
Judas, not like that. You'll never guess what. Mr. Monahan wants to open a restaurant with me. And then you'll never guess who wants to invest.
The guy who thinks you're going to be the joint's biggest customer?
Oh, Judas. Pontius Pilate. Yes, the Pontius Pilate wants to invest with me. Jesus Christ. Go into business.
You think Pontius Pilate wants to open a food joint with you?
And why wouldn't he?
Listen, Pontius Pilate doesn't want to meet with you to talk about a restaurant. He's going to threaten you.
Threaten me? Why would Pontius Pilate threaten me?
The other day, I'm down at the vomitorium cleaning up, and guess who shows up? Pontius Pilate. He's talking to this guy who apparently ate something did not agree with him. So I'm listening in, and between vomits, I hear this guy tell Pilate that you're running your mouth off about being king of the Jews. Romans don't like that kind of stuff.
And why are you just relaying this information to me now, Judas?
Hey, we got a saying down at the vomitorium. What comes up at the vomitorium stays down at the vomitorium. Besides, I can go blabbing every time I hear something.
What did Pilate say we'd do if I didn't stop saying I was king of the Jews?
Well, he said he'd crucify him, but we both know that's not going to happen.
And why is that, Judas?
Because there ain't a piece of wood strong enough to hold you up on a cross.
Yeah!
Now what is all that racket, Jesus?
Apparently, Pontius Pilate wants me to stop saying I'm king of the Jews, and if I don't, then he's going to crucify me.
Well, that ain't simple. Just tell him you're not the king of the Jews.
Oh, you would love that, wouldn't you, Mary?
Well, it's better than hurting a poor innocent old man.
What poor innocent old man?
The one who's going to have to lift you up on the cross on it. That's who, Jesus.
I'm going to lift you up, pow, right to the moon! Mary, I don't know what to do. king of the Jews.